Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about composite functions. So those are functions which contain two or more functions. That is, we have a function inside a function inside another function. So let's look at this by an example. So let's say we have two functions. That one of the function is f of x is equal to 2x plus 6, and then we have another function g of x which is equal to x square minus 1. So we need to find f of g. So it's written as for f of g. Mathematically it is written as function and then g of x. So that means f of g of x. So how to find that? We know that g of x is x square minus 1, and then f of x is 2x plus 6. So first we need to substitute g of x here. So we'll write f of x square minus 1, and then we'll substitute all this as x. So let's see how it goes. So first we'll write f of g of x, that is f of x square minus 1, that is the value of g of x. Now we need to write the function in terms of function of x. So we know that f of x was given as 2x plus 6. So we simply substitute this value x square minus 1 in place of x, right? Because function of x is given as 2x plus 1. So we substitute whole of this in x. So we get function of x square minus 1 equals 2 times x square minus 1 plus 6. So this is f of g, right? So getting the value at x equals 1, we can also find the value of this f of g, which will be equal to 6. So f of g is equal to 6. Similarly, if we have to find g of x, so g of x means the function g of f of x, right? So it is the reverse of what we have done right now. So it will be g of 2x plus 6, and then g of x was given as, so here we can see that g of x was, in the question we had g of x given as x square minus 1. So we just substitute this value in place of x. So we write it as 2x plus 6 square minus 1. So this gives us the value of g of f of x equals 2x square plus 6 square minus 1, and so we can find the value of this function at x equals 1. That will be equal to 63. So like that we can find values of any composite functions. So now you understood what are composite functions and how do we make them, how do we solve them. So in the next video I'll be talking about derivatives of composite functions using a new derivative rule that is called the chain rule. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. Thank you.